These pictures show Amber and Philip Farren in happier times before Amber's family called police to the couple's home just over a month ago.
When they got there, in the process of dismembering my sister's body. The detective said that it's one of the most gruesome murder scenes he's ever seen.
52-year-old Philip Farren admitted he shot and killed his wife earlier in the week and was in the process of cutting her up when police arrived.
They even went into detail to tell my mom that he chopped her head off. How could you do that to someone? How could you be so not there to chop someone up?
Troopers were called to the house just 2 days earlier. A neighbor's security camera captured the visit. The family says it shows Amber on the porch asking police for help and a neighbor asking them to intervene.
So the 31-second video, they did not help my sister after physically seeing that she was being abused by him right in front of their faces. He grabbed her and pulled her in the house. You can hear my sister screaming, ow, ow. So he did something to her in there. The cops are still sitting in their car.
Police say that at the time, Amber drove away safely. But her sister says she was far from safe.
So shortly after that, my sister went to talk to the cops again. And she said, I'm scared for my life. This guy has a gun.
New York State Police say when they got to the house on April 24th, the body of 34-year-old Amber was already partially dismembered. Officers arrested and charged Philip Farren with murder in the second degree and manslaughter in the first degree. He is being held in the Allegheny County Jail with no bail. It remains unclear what triggered the killing, but Amber's family suggests there was ample evidence of abuse.
And other justice for me would be getting the word out about domestic violence. Maybe my sister's story can save other people's lives.
Chanley Painter joins us now with a little bit more on this story. And the first question is, obviously, he had to admit it, right? Did he admit to actually killing her, or what was his story when he was caught?
Yeah, reportedly he made admissions to the police when they did conduct that welfare check that day and discovered him dismembering his wife there, deceased on the floor. And of course, we've reached out for more information to the attorneys in this case. They haven't responded to our request for comment. We've reached out to the investigator who says she cannot talk about this case, but we do have the criminal felony complaint. I believe we can put it up there, and it shows a little bit more details into this grisly murder. Ted, he's charged with second-degree murder, as we said in the story, but it also highlights what that crime is and the time of death. So based on the time, 4:22 at 9 p.m., that means that she was murdered, shot with a shotgun the same day, just hours after that surveillance video from the neighbor's porch where we see her. It makes it all really ominous now that you see her on that porch. The police are there, and she was able to drive away safely, but to find out that that same evening was the night that she was shot and killed makes this all even more sad.
Yeah, this happened about a month ago. Where are we in the case, and what's next?
There are a couple of hearings actually coming up next week in this case. There's a bail hearing on next Monday, and there's also a preliminary hearing, which I think we can learn a lot more facts and maybe even the trajectory of the defense in this case next Wednesday, June the 10th. So that's all coming up, and there's some contention between the family. Of course, Amber's family points to domestic abuse as a cause for this, but Philip's family points to some mental issues. Will that be a part of the defense? We'll probably have more information in the coming hearings.
Yeah, I know that at least one sister doesn't want him to plead insanity, wants him to go a different route, but clearly something was going on there. I think that video is key. It could be evidence of that abuse that Amber's family is talking about. Chanley Painter, thank you.